Hey, happy rainy Wednesday. I wanted to hop on because I haven't shown you guys some of these really easy do-it-yourself things that you can do. This was a game changer for our budget, for the family member in our home who deals with eczema, and for my quest to purge our house of synthetic stuff, for stuff that worked better and was less expensive. And so I wanted to show you guys really quickly how easy it is to make your own laundry detergent. And so some of you have seen this already, but because we've been doing back to the basics, this is a real basic, awesome one that I wanted to go ahead and show you real quickly, since it's a rainy day and all I have is laundry piling up, and so I need more. So this is a laundry detergent with only 3 ingredients, y'all. 3. Easy. You can get them all at your grocery store or at Walmart. Thing number 1 is Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Ingredient number 2, borax. And ingredient number 3, some kind of Castile soap. I went with Kirk's because it's cheaper. I used to get Dr. Bronner's, but it's much more expensive now. I think they really took off. So anyway, I get the cheaper stuff now. What you're looking for with a Castile soap is that there's only 1 ingredient. So this is just a soap made from one thing, coconut oil, and there's no scent to it. So get the unscented stuff so that you have all the synthetics out. And all it is equal parts of these 3 things. So the most work you have to do is grate the soap. And so I've got my grater here. I've got it set to go. I'll measure out what I got. Usually I get, make sure my memory serves me properly. So this is about a half bar right here. Crumble it up really good. And that's about a little over a half cup. Yeah, so one bar is going to be about 1 cup of the grated form. And so just to keep the video short and sweet, this is a little bit over a half cup. So I'm just going to put it in my bowl and put the same amount of the borax and the washing soda in there. And that's all there is to it, y'all. See how easy this is? So what I like to do is I like to go ahead and do up enough that'll last me like 6 months. Because guess how much of this mix you need for a single load of laundry? Yes. How much of this mixture are you actually going to scoop out for 1 load? Alright, so here's my borax. Another thing that you might know is if you've started switching to natural stuff, I got a little too much there. When you start switching to natural stuff, one of the things that I missed is that, usually stir with a spoon, y'all, but this is working, is the scent, right? So when you switch to a natural option, you're probably getting the unscented because you know that a lot of the chemical scents are synthetic, not the real plant-based lavender or lemon or whatever it is that they're putting in the cleaning product. Let me not bury my scoop. Hi y'all, hello, hello. All right, so we're making a really easy laundry detergent. All right. And y'all, that's all there is to it. So for time's sake, I'm going to sit here and keep grating and go ahead and fill this all the way up. But I asked you, how much of this would you use for 1 load of laundry? Well, the answer is only about 2 tablespoons. So I just keep an old scoop that came in something I had. I put 2 of these in there. But I missed the scent, right? So your stuff is going to be really clean, and this works just fine in HE washers too. You're going to love it. You're going to love it. So what I do is I get whatever oil I want. So if you're waiting for the holiday stuff to come out this Friday and you want to snag those laundry balls, you will have taken care of your laundry situation. You're going to notice that you're going to save a bunch of money because you don't need your dryer sheets. And Tide, for example, not even the organic stuff, is approximately 10 cents a load. Guess how much this is? Like 2 cents or less. It's about $4 for each of these boxes, and then another, I don't know, 2 or 3 for the soap. So you can cut your budget tremendously on laundry. Put 2 tablespoons of this in each load, and then drip on whatever scent you want. So with the sheets, I'll put in 1 or 2 drops of lavender. For most of my other stuff, I like to use lemon. doTERRA has a blend called Purify that smells really beautiful. Lemongrass is nice. Wintergreen is the one that you're going to get with the dryer balls. If you go ahead and get that, don't forget, those will probably sell out really quickly on Friday. So hop on Friday morning and get any of those holiday things you want. But this is something that's going to last you for a long time. And so all I do is I just dump my 2 tablespoons in my HE washer. And then I drip 1 or 2 drops of the essential oil scent I'm going for right on top of that and hit start. I do not put this in the little tray. So you're going to have to play with your washing machine, but I don't put it in my little tray because it seems to not wash down into it very well. If your washing machine really doesn't love a powder, you can very easily boil this on your stove just enough to get it dissolved, and then you have a liquid form and you can put it in that way. I always wash my stuff on either warm or hot. I don't ever do cold wash anymore, and that eliminated my problem with this not dissolving. It all depends on how awesome you are about really grating your soap. So enjoy this. I'll post an image of exactly what this is, but I hope that it's something you try because it was a real game changer for our budget and my life doing laundry with lots of kids. Bye, y'all. Have a great day.